Have you noticed what's happening in the crypto market lately? While everyone's eyes are still glued to Bitcoin and Ethereum, a handful of altcoins are quietly stealing the spotlight. In fact, some of these coins have already outperformed BTC and ETH this quarter, and yet, hardly anyone is talking about them. But here's the thing, every major crypto bull cycle has started the same way: Bitcoin pumps first, Ethereum follows, and then altcoins explode. The question now is, which altcoins are ready to take off next? Let's break it all down: the data, the charts, and the potential winners you should keep an eye on. Welcome back to Crypto Reactor, your home for smart crypto analysis, predictions, and deep dives that help you stay one step ahead of the market. If you love discovering early opportunities before they go mainstream, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, because today's video might just change how you look at this market. Alright, let's jump straight into the charts and find out which altcoins are breaking the trend and outperforming the crypto giants. As of now, Bitcoin has been trading in a relatively tight range between $115,000 and $120,000, consolidating after a massive rally earlier this year. Ethereum, too, has been stable near $4,500, struggling to break its key resistance level. And while BTC and ETH are catching their breath, something interesting is happening beneath the surface. The altcoin market is heating up. We're seeing increased trading volume and liquidity moving into Layer 1 and Layer 2 ecosystems, DeFi protocols, and even AI-related blockchain projects. This rotation of capital is what often signals the start of an alt season, that exciting phase where smaller coins start outperforming the majors. So, what's fueling this new wave of momentum? First, innovation. Many altcoins are introducing groundbreaking updates, whether it's faster transaction speeds, lower fees, or integration with real-world assets. For example, projects like Solana, Avalanche, and Near Protocol are continuing to build ecosystems that attract developers and investors. Second, institutional diversification. As ETFs and traditional finance start to embrace Bitcoin and Ethereum, retail investors are looking for the next Bitcoin. Altcoins with strong fundamentals and active communities are benefiting from that speculative capital. And third, narrative momentum. Every market cycle has a story that drives it. In 2017, it was ICOs. In 2021, it was NFTs and DeFi. And now, in 2025, the narrative seems to be AI, real-world asset tokenization, and interoperability. Coins connected to those sectors are seeing huge traction. Let's talk about some actual names, the rising stars you should have on your radar. Solana, SOL. Solana has been a standout performer once again. After surviving the bear market and fixing major outages, Solana's ecosystem has exploded with new dApps, DeFi platforms, and meme projects. Its network speed and low transaction costs make it a direct challenger to Ethereum. SOL has recently climbed over 60% in the last 30 days, outpacing both BTC and ETH. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche is gaining strong attention from institutional players because of its subnet's customizable blockchains designed for specific industries. AVAX has become a favorite for tokenized assets and gaming projects. With more developers building on Avalanche, price momentum could continue to build in Q4. Chainlink, Link, the unsung hero of DeFi. Chainlink has been steadily growing, providing crucial Oracle services that connect smart contracts to real-world data. The introduction of Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, has made Link one of the most fundamentally solid projects, and its recent rally of over 50% proves investors are recognizing that strength. Render, RNDR, the intersection of AI and crypto, is one of the hottest areas right now, and Render is at the center of it. It allows decentralized GPU rendering, basically letting people rent out their GPU power for 3D and AI tasks. With AI adoption booming globally, RNDR could continue leading the AI coin narrative. Arbitrum, ARB, and Optimism, OP, Layer 2 solutions on Ethereum are also seeing massive growth as more users and projects move to cheaper, faster scaling networks. Both tokens have been trending up in user activity and TVL, total value locked, signaling growing confidence in the Ethereum scaling ecosystem. From a technical perspective, many of these altcoins are forming higher highs and higher lows, which confirms the start of a potential bullish structure. Volume indicators show increasing inflows, and momentum oscillators like RSI are holding steady in the mid-range, suggesting that the rally isn't overextended yet. If Bitcoin stays stable or slightly bullish, altcoins could continue to outperform in the short term. However, remember, volatility is part of the game. Altcoins move faster both ways. Always manage risk, use stop losses, and don't chase pumps blindly. Now, let's zoom out. The broader crypto market is showing early signs of reaccumulation. Global liquidity is improving, institutional demand is growing, and regulatory frameworks are slowly becoming clearer. If Bitcoin remains above $110,000 and Ethereum holds above $4,000, we could see a full-fledged altcoin rally heading into the end of 2025. Key catalysts to watch. Upcoming Ethereum network upgrades. New AI and gaming blockchain launches. More crypto ETF approvals. Integration of real-world assets, RWAs, into DeFi. These could all drive massive flows into altcoins over the coming months. So, there you have it, the rising stars that are quietly outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. The altcoin market is heating up, and those who pay attention early are usually the ones who benefit the most. Which altcoin do you think will lead the next crypto wave? Solana, Chainlink, or maybe something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Reactor, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big crypto update. Until next time, stay smart, stay patient, and remember, in crypto, information is power.